So here we're doing an EGR delete on a 2000 Honda Accord with the V6. This is what we already have our EGR off, but this is what the factory EGR looks like here. So with the kit, it comes with the block off plate. You can get pretty much any color through MPC Motorsports, made in the USA. And it comes with new hardware. And it also comes with the block off gasket as well. So we're gonna have to put the new gasket on that. So right now what we're doing is we have to remove these studs because part of the new hardware is not a nut. These are 12 mil, or factory, they're 12 millimeter nuts. And the block off plate comes with these Allen head bolts. So we have to take these, or we have to extract these nuts from the EGR bracket. So what I had to do is go to my local hardware store, and these ones are M8 by 1.25 thread. And I got two nuts that matched the factory ones. And basically this top one is acting as a jam nut. You tighten these two nuts together. And I'll show you here as what we're doing. They are kind of a pain to break free, but if you look, you can kind of see the slightest bit of movement coming from the top, or from the stud there. But what we're doing is we're on the bottom nut here, and we're just gonna we're gonna keep spinning the stud out with the nut. And that one's gonna be a 13 mil. All right, so here we got one stud out. We're probably gonna have to go to our local hardware store again, get two more nuts, because kind of strip these ones out, but we did get it out. Luckily, I think I only spent like less than $1 on these two. So here we got the one out here, and then we'll grab, where's that Allen head bolt? Right here. We'll grab this and just check fitment, make sure it's good. It's a little tight, but probably just have to clean the threads out. Actually, I got just a thing for that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clean out the threads, and basically what this is just the barrel cleaner from a gun kit. But if you run into situations like this, you can see you gotta clean some threads out. Works pretty darn good. So if you look here, we ended up getting our other stud out. And then what I did, so here's the new gasket that I didn't show with the block off. Here it is. Then here's a blade. What I did is I went and I cleaned the surface, the mating surface where the block off plate and the gasket are gonna go. So we got a nice smooth surface, not contaminated or anything. So here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna throw this gasket on. Oh, maybe it goes the other way. Okay, there we go. So we're gonna throw the gasket on just like that. And then it's simple, just our EGR block off goes on top of that. All right, so here we got both of our studs, or both of our bolts in, and then we have our gasket, and then the plate on. And then your EGR is complete. The only thing that you're probably gonna have is just the old EGR has a sensor, or a plug-in, or a pigtail. You're gonna have a check engine light, but it shouldn't affect the way the vehicle runs at all. If anything, the EGR delete should help it run better.